Outside 106. In the shade 91. Inside my HVAC 71. So the low is 70 and the high is 73. Inside my HVAC 81. The low this morning was 64. The high today was 109. Here's temperature in the shade 81. Here's the temperature inside my HVAC, 70. The low was 70, the high was 73. This is the study I'm doing. Keeping the temperature between 68 and 77. This is so you can learn how to keep your medicine 100% effective as far as temperature goes, and I recommended that my study be sent to the military to update their first aid study by Bowdish.